Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove or delete chats and conversations on DeepSeek AI with the artificial intelligence. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, log into your account on DeepSeek AI, for example via the web application. You can do this of course on mobile, but I'm going to do this here via Google Chrome. And here to the left guys, you will see all chats and conversations you have had so far on DeepSeek. So to remove all of them, at once guys, but because you can always click into these three dots here and delete them one by one. To delete all of them at once, navigate to your profile in the bottom left corner, click into settings, here click into data, and there guys, next to delete chats, click into delete all and confirm the deletion by clicking on this button. Just bear in mind guys that this can't be undone, so once these chats have been removed you won't be able to recover them, so they will be gone permanently, as well as your entire chat history guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.